Welcome to Salika Mag. Today's tutorial about how you can turn your any shirt into a cute dress or top. And if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So I just take a dress for the size. No need for any pattern. You can just trace your this dress, any dress or any top that you like. So till here the waistline, I just marked the waistline of according to this dress, and now just cut it from here, and also mark the waist and the shoulder line and the armhole line according to your this dress that you take for the measurement. No need for any specification for the pattern and all these things. Is just a fun project and you will really enjoy this. And see, I just mark it, and now I'm going to remove the collar because I don't want the collar, but if you want to keep the collar you can keep it, so it will be a style as well. So after removing the collar, now I'm just cutting the sleeves, and it also again depend on your choice if you want the sleeves or if you want the sleeveless. So I just got these sleeves, and this is the down part that I just cut. So from here I'm going to cut the frills in two parts. So that's why the front and back I will cut this piece in two parts. Just cut the extra thing, and now just cut this part in two pieces. Guys, if you are first time here, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I already uploaded a complete course for the beginners, how to make the dress and all these things. You can check in my playlist. So now I'm just quickly cutting all these things, and if you want to support me, just join my channel, hit the join button. So see, now I'm going to make here the gatherings. For gathering you just need to stitch from here to this way all the way, and then you will pull your thread, and you can also tight your tension. In that way your machine will start automatically gather your fabric. So this is another tip for quick gathering. See, now our gathers are finished. Just place it in front of your this body, mark the center, and attach the center with the center and side with the side, and pin up properly. Make sure that gathers are equally distributed so it will look nice and beautiful. Now just I attach all these gathers, and now I'm going to stitch this, and make sure that everything is equal. And see, this is the look of this gathers frill. Now I'm going to attach the front part. I need to remove one last button because from here I need first to attach to stitch this part, and then I will attach the this gathering, the other gathering. So now again just pull all the thread and make the gathering equals, and stitch it. So it's very easy and fun project. You can turn any of your old shirt into a stylish dress or top, and for kids, or even if you want this project for you, you can really enjoy this project. And see, now both frills are done. Now it's time to stitch the side lines, these fitting lines from see this point to this till here, and after that if you want to attach the sleeves, is up to you. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.